Yo guys, in here, back with a brand new video. So today our topic is regarding Windows Update, regarding the new version 21H1. So okay, I had this problem like minutes ago. This freaking update is not uploading. Not downloading. So if that's the case, what you wanna do is just go restart your computer, then it will start downloading. Then after that, it will install by itself. That's it. But as for the failed installation, I don't have a solution for that. If your problem is kinda like mine, it's not downloading, as simple as that. What you wanna do again is just restart your computer. Then it will start downloading by itself, then install. And now, what I wanna do is restart. That's it. So if this video helped you, then yeah, leave a like and also please do subscribe. But if no, try looking looking for other solutions on YouTube if you get the failed one. But for me, this is only the simple problem that it's not downloading. So yeah, again, this is End signing out. Bye bye.